गाइस, my name is प्रियांशु और you are watching Encyclo Hub। इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5A के बारे में। और in this before this I want to share something. We have prepared all the assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us anytime, and if you want any other help, so you can contact us. Now question number 5A is that describe the underlying principle of each of the following metal refining methods. First is electrolytic refining of metals. Second is vapor phase refining of metals. So we have prepared according to the chapter and the word limits, which is 100 to 150, and all not for this, all the answers we have prepared. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We will provide all the answers on WhatsApp. If you need a handwritten, so we will provide all the assignments at your doorstep. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.